Hello friends, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to learn oats idli recipe. Oats is a healthy way to kickstart one's day and we can try to include it in our diet at least 3 to 4 times a week, and we can notice that hardly any Indian recipes with oats have made it even though oats are an integral part of our morning breakfast routine. Using oats in Indian style recipes can be quite tricky as it tends to have a sticky texture. So it is a good idea to dry roast the oats for a few minutes before using it. Dry roast a packet full of oats and store, especially for Indian style of recipes. And idlis are a breakfast favorite even outside South India, and fiber-rich oats and rava combine to make delicious instant idlis that you can enjoy fresh off the steamer with the sambar and chutney. Here we go and see how to prepare this and the ingredients required. We need 1 cup oats and a half cup fine suji or rava and half cup fresh or sour curd and 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon eno or half tablespoon baking soda, 1 small carrot grated and chopped coriander leaves and salt to taste. And for tempering we need half tablespoon oil and 1 by 4 tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 by 4 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon chana dal, a pinch of hing and 1 by 4 tablespoon crushed black pepper and 1 or 2 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and 8 to 10 cashews and curry leaves. And directions to prepare. Take 1 cup oats in a grinder or a blender jar and grind or blend to a fine flour. Peel and grate 1 small to medium carrot. Now finely chop the ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves and green chilies. Tempering and roasting, and heat half tablespoon oil in a pan on a low flame and add the half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon chana dal. Sat till the mustard seeds crackle and chana dal and urad dal comes to golden color. Now add the 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon finely chopped curry leaves, 8 to 10 cashews chopped and half tablespoon crushed black pepper and a pinch of hing and sat well. Now add half cup of suji, that is rava, on a low flame. Stir and sat for 2 minutes. Then add the oats flour. Stir very well and keep on stirring often while roasting the flour at a low flame. Roast for 4 to 5 minutes. Now take this mixture in a bowl and let it cool down completely. Then add the grated carrots and 3 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves and You can also add steamed peas or finely chopped French beans if you like. Add half cup curd. You can add either fresh or sour curd. Add 1 cup water. Stir the idli batter very well. The batter should have a medium consistency and be neither too thick nor thin. And cover and allow the batter to sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, grease the idli mold with some oil or ghee. Also heat water in the idli steamer or in a electric cooker or pressure cooker. Now add salt as per taste and stir very well. Add 1 tablespoon fruit salt, that is ENO, or half tablespoon baking soda. Be quick and stir very well so that the ENO is mixed evenly in the batter. Pour the oats idli batter in the greased idli molds. Try to use all the batter in one steaming lot, and if you keep the batter for a second round of steaming, the idlis won't become that soft. Now place the molds in the steamer or electric cooker or pressure cooker. Cover and steam the idlis till they are done. About 10 to 12 minutes have to cook them. Allow the steamed idlis to stand for some minutes and then remove them with a spoon dipped in hot water. So after taking out, serve these light healthy oats idli with a coconut chutney or sambar. So this is for today a healthy recipe, variation of normal rava idli, and as you added oats here, it is a little better than normal rava idli, so healthy. You can prepare within time easily in the morning as a breakfast, and keep healthy and stay fit, and keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.